Hello, in this short video I'm just showing the roof tent setup on my Land Rover Defender. You can see. This is the view of the sunrise that we see every morning. And this is the inside. I've got all the storage. Gives us a bit of privacy. So we've got that. Seems most people have that sort of setup, which I can understand, kind of van life. And then there's other people who've got that. So here we are. There's our setup roughly there. Our setup is, let's say, 5,000. Let's be generous and say 5,000. Perhaps 6,000 including the Land Rover. And then there's this one here. 380,000 apparently. Apparently. 380,000. Now, I'm not a cheapskate. I'm definitely, well, I like to be careful with my money, but the thing is, camping is camping. I mean, I can understand in the vans, if you've got children, it's fine, but this isn't camping, is it? It's not camping. So, yeah, each to his own, I suppose. Seems crazy. Perhaps that's the future of camping. My wife seems to think we're the poor people on the campsite because we're about the only ones with a roof tent. But I didn't even give it a thought. I thought camping was camping. Perhaps we're a bit out of place on this campsite because everybody's got vans, or a lot of people have got vans, but I've seen the odd pitched tent. But I don't feel poor. I don't feel like I just feel like we're actually camping. We're as close to camping as we can get without having a tent that's on the floor. We've got a good sleeping area. We sleep well. And I think we can cope with most eventualities. So I think, yeah, camping's about being mobile. So this is our setup now. It's this is a bit more like camping. Still got showers and everything, but it's a bit more basic. This place, it's right on the beach, and yeah, you can more or less do what you like. But that's our setup now, and I think that's how we like it. We don't like two awnings up. As you can see, this is a little bit more basic compared to the last campsite, but I think we prefer it this way. So that's it. Until the next time, thank you for watching, and if you can, please subscribe. Thank you.